CNBC-TV18 exclusive. Despite the massive 40,000 crore rupee debt Essar Steel is sitting on, CNBC-TV18 learns that in an unexpected move, banks have ruled out taking over the company to effect a change in management. Instead, lenders have asked the steelmaker to expedite the strategic stake sale of the company, which has been stalled for a while. Ritu Singh joins in now with details on that story. Ritu, any timeline on when this so-called strategic investor will finally be brought in? And like all the other stressed assets in the steel sector, will this deal at all go through?
Well, first of all, since, what we've seen so far from the bankers as far as SDR is concerned, most of the steel companies that have been under distress were brought under SDR to effect some sort of a recovery and put that into place. But here what we understand is that bankers seem somewhat reluctant to invoke strategic debt restructuring or effect any change in management. Their argument is that the company itself is trying to bring in some investors. Remember back in November, Essar Steel appointed SBI Caps and ICICI Securities to look for a strategic investor for the company, but since then not much has moved. In fact, in the joint lender forum meetings, in the marathon meetings held earlier this month, Essar Steel promoters were brought to to the bankers, and what they explained is that they wanted more help from the banks. The banks, of course, are reluctant to further lend to the company. They've asked them to bring in equity, and if that is not happening, they've also asked Essar Steel promoters to expedite the stake sale process. But of course, what we understand is that Essar's reply was that because of the delay in the Essar Oil Rosneft deal, not even the documents have been prepared for the strategic stake sale to take place. So if you're looking at a timeline before 6 months, it's unlikely that there will be any movement if you're looking at a strategic stake sale for Essar Steel to happen.
All right, Ritu. So this could be just yet another steel company that's waiting for a buyer on the block, but then gets delayed because of various permutations and combinations. Thanks, Ritu, for joining in. But meanwhile, in